Ladies and gentlemen, this is TVP World. You're watching another edition of Military Mind, bringing you news from the front lines. I'm your host, Benjamin Lee. In Ukraine, hostilities persist across the eastern and southern regions of the country. In the Kherson region, 8 people were injured in Russian shelling over the past day, including one child, said the head of the regional military administration. According to him, several dozen settlements in the Kherson region came under Russian attack. Now, in the Donetsk region, the city of Slavyansk was attacked by Russian Shahed drones. Direct hits and fires were recorded in the city. According to local officials, several residential buildings were hit. No casualties or wounded have been recorded so far. Meanwhile, heavy shelling across Russia was recorded overnight. More than 100 Ukrainian drones attacked the Kursk region. As a result of the attack, 1 civilian was killed and 9 people were injured, according to the operational headquarters of the region. On the front line, Ukrainian military officer Stanislav Budyatov reported that the situation north of Liman is critical due to a Russian breakthrough in the Katerinivka-Rydkotub line. Now, he warns that without experienced reserves, Ukrainian defenses here could collapse like a house of cards. Over the past 3 days, the forward units of the Ukrainian Defense Forces have had minimal results on the right bank of the Zhirepets River, although they have expanded the tactical penetration towards Katerinivka by 1 kilometer. Moving south in the Toretsk sector, the Russian armed forces are developing an offensive to the southwest of Toretsk. According to pro-Russian military sources, Kalinovo is under the full Russian control. On the roof of one of the houses in the village, Russian troops carried out a flag sticking. Meanwhile, according to Russian military correspondent Yuri Kotinok, the Russian broke through into Nelipivka and attacked north of Toretsk. To the west of the city, he added, the Russian armed forces are trying to eliminate the pocket between New York and Zelene Pole, as well as break through from the previously captured Penelimonivka. Now, one of the fiercest attacks in recent weeks, Russian forces launched a 2-wave assault involving more than 20 armored vehicles and 41 motorcycles, but were decisively stopped in the tracks. The defenders, a troop from the 31st Separate Mechanized Brigade reinforced by units from the 3rd Mechanized Battalion of the Presidential Brigade. Now, under heavy pressure, these Ukrainian soldiers held their ground and fought back with precision and determination. The result? 14 enemy IFVs and 2 tanks were destroyed. Now, despite the scale of the attack, Russian forces failed to break through the defenses at Zelenopole and Novoselivka. This battle underlines a growing trend in Russian tactics, combining outdated Soviet-style wave attacks with fast-moving light vehicles such as motorbikes. Next up, see the battle through the eyes of a tank commander. In this intense footage, the crew of a Ukrainian T-64BV from the 32nd Separate Mechanized Brigade carry out a fire mission from a close firing position near Pokrovsk. Filmed directly from the commander's perspective, the video captures the coordination, tension, and power of modern armored warfare. Every command, every round fired, part of a larger battle to hold the line in one of the most contested directions on the front. The use of close firing positions has become increasingly effective on the Pokrovsk front. Ukrainian armored units such as the 32nd Brigade are using terrain and precision to deliver powerful strikes while minimizing exposure to enemy counterfire, a testament to the evolution of tactics under real battlefield conditions.
Так, 38 рівень, так?
Да, 38 це
Ще давай один.
Ну, зараз дадим, блядь. Зараз покотик подвожу. Готов. Постріл! вже 82 у нас.
Три вправо, котик, три вправо і виклик. Виклик давай.
Постріл! Єбать, нахуй, єбать їбашить нахуй, охуєть можна. Оце заряди, блядь. Постріл!
Raw GoPro footage captures the intense moment Ukrainian soldiers from the 3rd Assault Brigade stop a Russian infantry group dead in their tracks. This video shows a failed enemy attempt to punch through a Ukrainian fire support position in a Kharkiv region. The assault was met with a coordinated and unrelenting response. A swarm of drones, bursts of automatic fire, and precise grenade throws halted the Russian advance just 100 meters from the Ukrainian lines. Despite heavy incoming fire, the Ukrainian fighters held their ground. Most of the enemy group was eliminated on the spot. The rest were forced to retreat under pressure. The 3rd Assault Brigade, formed from experienced combat veterans and volunteers, has been a critical element in Ukraine's defensive and counter-offensive actions in the Kharkiv sector. Their rapid reaction capabilities and drone-integrated tactics are setting new standards for modern warfare on the Eastern Front.
Протримаєш мені пленку?
Ще летить. Їх там як раніше дуже.
Друже, 200 метрів до вас, підарок.
Єбана воно, блядь, ні.
Плюс-плюс. Там в рюкзаках лежать магазини, витягнуть. Ого, ніхуя.
На банан. М2. На банк, на трусь.
Це костиль. Ти забіг?
Можливо, друже, але дуже гарно відпрацювало. Прям максимально.
Друже, працював форвард із Форда, як прийняв.
Парні, обережно слухайте, що навколо вас і працюємо по можливостям.
Щас, якщо тихо. Мені прикриття надо. Хтось стріляє з калаша, насипає, я вибігаю з посадки і бачу туди. Давай, стріляй. Надо в поле вибігати, тут ветки не дають. Друже, що маємо по руху підарів?
Друже, прижаті, гей, на місці.
Все, прилетів, давай вискочи. Насипай. Кажи, хай пацани.
Так, братан, я чеку выдернул, дай.
Поспішіть, бо пізда нахуй. Натрібайте.
А, це отут. На отут мусорка, де у нас. Нас не їбаш туди, нахуй. Старий, пошукай гранату. Сюди до мусорки, що у нас зліва. Давай, я крию. Давай. Що каже?
Він у мене того кричить. Один готовий. Воно мусить готовий.
Сука, старий лучший, нахуй. Давай кулачка, блядь. Тігр, нахуй. Пацани, веде!
Да, це пацани.
Да, наший дрон.
And with that footage, we conclude this edition of Military Mind. But for more news, update, and commentary, please stay tuned to TVP World.